Hey everyone! In this tutorial, you'll learn how to solve a 2x2 puzzle cube using a beginner's method. This method is super easy and I will be showing you some tips on how to memorize the algorithms. So make sure to watch this video until the end. Alright, ready? Let's go! Before we begin this tutorial, you should already know some basic puzzle cube notations like R is for turning the right side clockwise and R prime is turning it counterclockwise. L refers to the left side, B is the back, F is the front, U and D are the top and bottom respectively. So the first step in this 2x2 beginner's method is to solve the white side. Once you're more familiar with this method, you can start with any of the sides. But for this tutorial, we'll stick with the white side. To solve the white side, you only need to learn one simple algorithm. How I normally do this step is to first form up 3 of the white pieces together, like so. Next, I'll place the last white corner piece in this corner. So it may be here or here. Once your last white corner piece is in position, hold your puzzle cube with the unsolved white corner on your bottom right side. And apply this algorithm. R prime, D prime, R, D repeatedly until the white side is completely solved. Here's how it goes. In step 2, you'll learn how to solve the first layer. While still holding your puzzle cube with the white side facing up, find one of the sides where both pieces are solved, like this side here. If you do not have any of your sides solved, you can position your puzzle cube in any directions, and you will have to repeat the same algorithm 2 times. So if you have one of the sides solved, you will position the side that is solved away from you, like so. Then apply this algorithm. R prime, D prime, R. L, D, L prime. R prime, D prime, R. With that, your first layer is solved. One easy way to memorize the algorithm for step 2 is to remember the moves instead. So what I mean is, you do the algorithm on the right side, then mirror the algorithm on the left side, and back to the right again. In total, you need to do 3 sets starting on the right, left, and then right again. Here's how it goes. Next, in step 3, you will learn how to solve the yellow side. For this step, you only need to learn one algorithm, but you will have to do it carefully in order not to mess up your puzzle cube. In my previous 2x2 beginners tutorial video, I used the Sun algorithm to solve the yellow side. If you prefer the Sun method, you can watch that video tutorial to find out more. I will leave the link to the video in the description below. Alright, let's begin to solve our yellow side. The algorithm that you need to know is R, U, R prime, U prime, or otherwise also known as the sexy move. Here's how you can apply this algorithm to solve the yellow side. First, continue to hold your puzzle cube with the white side facing up. At the bottom side, position the corner that is not yellow to the bottom right side, like so. Then apply the algorithm repeatedly until this yellow corner is solved. R, U, R prime, U prime. 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 Next, move to the next unsolved yellow corner by turning just the bottom layer. At this time, your puzzle cube will already be messed up, but don't worry, the first layer will be solved again once you have successfully solved the yellow side. R, U, R prime, U prime. 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 With that, the yellow side is solved. For the final step, you'll learn how to solve the last layer, and in doing so, your puzzle cube will be completely solved. First, rotate your whole puzzle cube so that now you have the white side facing down and the yellow side on top. Next, find one side on the top layer where both pieces are soft, like this side here. If you do not have any side where both pieces are soft, you can position your puzzle cube in any directions, and you will have to perform the algorithm twice. For my case, I have one side on my top layer where both pieces are soft. Therefore, I will position this soft side away from me and apply this algorithm. R prime, F, R prime, B2, R, F prime, R, B2, R2, B2. With that, our puzzle cube is completely solved. The algorithm that we have used to solve the last layer may seem long, but there's an easy way to memorize it. So instead of remembering the notations, you will remember the moves instead. And it is very easy since there is a pattern to it. So here we go. For the first part of the move, you rotate the right and the front side towards the bottom right corner. And you will do it 3 times, starting with right, then front, then right again. Once this is done, turn the back side 2 times. Now do the next set of moves. However, this time, instead of turning towards the bottom right side, you will now turn away from the bottom right corner. Do 3 times with right, then front, then right again. Then followed by turning the back side 2 times again. For the last set, which is an easy one, rotate the right side 2 times, then followed by turning the back side 2 times. With that, you have completed the algorithm and solved your puzzle cube. I hope you liked this 2x2 beginners tutorial video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.